Hello, everyone.
Welcome to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 youthful English words about family and people.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
I will say the English word.
I will read one easy example sentence using that word.
2,201. Accomplish.
She accomplished every goal this year.
2,202. Achievement.
Hard work brings achievement.
2,203. Acknowledge.
He acknowledged my hard work.
2,204. Acquire.
Children acquire language naturally.
2,205. Adapt.
We adapted to the new schedule.
2,206. Addition.
We built an addition to the house.
2,207. Adequate.
We have adequate food for everyone.
2,208. Adjust.
Please adjust your seat.
2,209. Administration.
The administration approved the project.
2,210. Admire.
I admire your confidence.
2,211. Adopt.
They adopted a rescue dog.
2,212. Adult.
Every adult should vote responsibly.
2,213. Advantage.
Experience gives you an advantage.
2,214. Adventure.
Camping was a great adventure.
2,215. Advertise.
They advertise on television.
2,216. Advice.
Thank you for your valuable advice.
2,217. Advocate.
She advocates healthy eating.
2,218. Affair.
The charity affair raised money.
2,219. Afford.
We can afford the trip now.
2,220. Agency.
I booked through a travel agency.
2,221. Agenda.
Today's agenda is very short.
2,222. Agriculture.
Agriculture supports many families.
2,223. Aircraft.
The aircraft landed safely.
2,224. Airline.
The airline changed our flight.
2,225. Airport security.
Airport security checked our bags.
2,226. Alarm.
The alarm woke me early.
2,227. Alcohol.
He does not drink alcohol.
2,228. Allergy.
My allergy gets worse in spring.
2,229. Allowance.
My parents gave me an allowance.
2,230. Alphabet.
Children learn the alphabet first.
2,231. Alternative.
We found an alternative route.
2,232. Ambassador.
The ambassador visited the school.
2,233. Ambition.
Her ambition is inspiring.
2,234. Ambulance.
The ambulance arrived quickly.
2,235. Amusement.
The children laughed with amusement.
2,236. Ancestor.
My ancestor came from Vietnam.
2,237. Announcement.
The announcement surprised everyone.
2,238. Apartment building.
The apartment building is new.
2,239. Apology.
Please accept my apology.
2,240. Applicant.
Every applicant completed the form.
2,241. Appointment.
I have a dentist appointment tomorrow.
2,242. Appreciation.
She showed appreciation for our help.
2,243. Approach.
His approach solved the problem.
2,244. Approval.
We received official approval.
2,245. Architect.
The architect designed the museum.
2,246. Archive.
The documents are in the archive.
2,247. Argument.
Their argument ended peacefully.
2,248. Arrangement.
The flower arrangement is beautiful.
2,249. Arrival.
Our arrival was delayed.
2,250. Article.
I read an interesting article.
2,251. Assignment.
I finished my assignment early.
2,252. Assist.
Volunteers assisted the visitors.
2,253. Assistant manager.
The assistant manager greeted us.
2,254. Association.
She belongs to a teachers' association.
2,255. Athlete.
The athlete trained every morning.
2,256. Atmosphere.
The cafe has a cozy atmosphere.
2,257. Attach.
Please attach the file.
2,258. Attendance.
Student attendance improved this month.
2,259. Attitude.
A positive attitude makes a difference.
2,260. Attraction.
The waterfall is a popular attraction.
2,261. Audience.
The audience applauded loudly.
2,262. Author.
The author signed my book.
2,263. Automatic.
The doors open automatically.
2,264. Available.
Fresh fruit is available today.
2,265. Average.
The average temperature is warm.
2,266. Award.
She received an award for excellence.
2,267. Awareness.
Safety awareness saves lives.
2,268. Background.
His background is in engineering.
2,269. Bakery.
The bakery smells wonderful.
2,270. Balance.
Keep a healthy work-life balance.
2,271. Banquet.
We attended a wedding banquet.
2,272. Bargain.
This jacket is a bargain.
2,273. Barrier.
Language can be a barrier.
2,274. Basement.
The washing machine is in the basement.
2,275. Battery.
My phone battery is low.
2,276. Behavior.
Good behavior is appreciated.
2,277. Benefit.
Exercise provides many benefits.
2,278. Bicycle path.
Ride on the bicycle path.
2,279. Biology.
Biology is my favorite science.
2,280. Blanket.
I need another blanket tonight.
2,281. Blessing.
Good health is a blessing.
2,282. Boarding.
Boarding begins in 20 minutes.
2,283. Bookstore.
I bought a dictionary at the bookstore.
2,284. Border crossing.
The border crossing was busy.
2,285. Branch.
The tree has many branches.
2,286. Breakfast buffet.
The breakfast buffet was delicious.
2,287. Bridge.
The bridge crosses the river.
2,288. Brochure.
Please read the travel brochure.
2,289. Budget plan.
We created a budget plan.
2,290. Building permit.
They received a building permit.
2,291. Business trip.
He is on a business trip.
2,292. Buyer.
The buyer asked many questions.
2,293. Calculation.
Double-check your calculation.
2,294. Calendar event.
I added a calendar event.
2,295. Campaign.
The campaign was successful.
2,296. Candidate.
Every candidate gave a speech.
2,297. Capability.
She showed great capability.
2,298. Capacity.
This room has a capacity of 100.
2,299. Career path.
She chose a new career path.
2,300. Celebration.
The celebration lasted all evening.
Excellent job!
Today, you learned another 100 English words.
Today you learned 100 English words about family and people.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you on day 24.
Goodbye and happy learning!